Unidentified individual boasted at Dongmukak Rasinja English LP School, vandalized all the materials inside. Karbi Anglong celebrates Teachers' Day in schools, colleges, university, and various other educational institutes. Friendly football match played between Karbi Students Association Upper Dilaji branch and Karbi film artist on 4th September.
Come one, come all. 4th Autumn Women and Men's Football Running Tournament come awareness on addiction and human trafficking at Etpo Taro Playground, Dongmukak on 5th September to 8 October 2022. Organized by Community Health Development Program, Baptist Christian Hospital, Tejpur, a Unite of Emmanuel Hospital Association, New Delhi. NGO partner, UNICEF. For more details, contact Sharon Sarmin Hanse, Project Officer, CHDP, and call 8638398440.
Good morning, viewers, and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time. As the nation prepares for the celebration of Teachers' Day on 5th September, one unusual incident came to light from Dongmukak Rasinja English LP School. A day before the celebration of Teachers' Day, where some unidentified miscreant broke inside the school building and vandalized all the materials. On 4th of September, some unidentified miscreants invaded the classrooms and offices of Dongmukak Rasinja English LP School, falling under Samilangso Education Block, and had vandalized all the materials and torn all important documents of the school. It was reported that this news came to the knowledge when they went to accomplish the preparation for Teachers' Day celebration at the school. And by the time they reached the school, the condition of the office and classrooms were left devastated. Deboram Terang, headmaster of the school, Sonsing Kathar, president SMC of Dongmukak Rasinja English LP School, along with local residents, expressed their displeasure over this incident.
Ama anarlo bara ek baji lo mapor iskulong usumar tumbang mo ang bima pu so nangchilang mo usumar da mala so khenu si thekang long lo inghap ke theng kona nama nasi along long lang lo.
Deboram Terang appeals those individuals, whoever is involved in this incident, to never repeat this kind of shameful act again in near future. Because education is very important. Without education, one cannot uplift the overall development in the village.
Enap Teacher Day lo pu fan pini pen ke chisi ke chedang nai pusi baji hini usomar pen terens lo nili baji sia por chewang poran make tada bangke tala theng elo buhi ka do we file ka do we ta hijik lor lo ke dam tang file anta che theglong le delo na make.
Sensing Ingti's report from Dongmukak, Karbi Anglong Live. Every year on 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day to honor the memory of India's first Vice President and to commemorate the importance of teachers in our lives. Likewise, educational institutions ranging from lower primary level to post-graduation level at Karbi Anglong also observe Teachers' Day. Several schools at Bokajan subdivision like Vidyasagar High School, Green Valley High School, Bokajan Higher Secondary School, Pranab Vidyapit High School, Bokajan Jinbaba Higher Secondary School, Bokajan Vivekananda Higher Secondary School, Bokajan College, and many more observe Teachers' Day at their respective schools and colleges. Mexford International School at Hawarkehat also observed Teachers' Day on the occasion of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's birthday. Harlong Biteron, Vice Principal, Mexford International School, while speaking to us, informed that the school had observed the occasion with huge participation from the students and had celebrated successfully.
Although ini itu like fashion show, mana jitu students la cingkulihan, la introduction, self introduction, sumar pencing loh. Jitu kira-kira teri la so fancy ini itu mahai tai.
Likewise, various departments of Assam University Dipu campus had also observed Teachers' Day in their respective departments. Harsing Rongpi's report from Hawarkehat, Karbi Anglong Live. On 4th of September, a friendly football match was organized by Karbi Students Association Upper Dilaji Branch Committee at 10th Kilometer Sirmu Playground. The friendly match was played between Karbi Students Association Upper Dilaji Branch Committee and Karbi film artists. On this auspicious one-day friendly football match, Tilotoma Hasnu, MSc, Lawrence Ingti, All Assam Chief Executive Engineer, PHE, Biren Rongpi, Founder, GDBC, Ken Inglang, Social Worker, Longki Timu, Social Worker, Jiten Timu, SGB, Upper Dilaji, Rup Singh Hanse, SGB, Upper Habjan, Longki Timu, SGP, Upper Dilaji, and many more dignitaries from the region attended the event. On this occasion, Karbi Students Association Upper Dilaji Branch took the opportunity to submit the memorandum to Tilotoma Hasnu, Honorable MSc of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Both the teams played very well and scored 2 goals each in full time. Hence, the winner of the friendly football match was declared through a tiebreaker penalty shootout. Karbi Students Association Upper Dilaji Branch Committee obtained the victory title. The winners of the match was awarded from the guest of the event. Rajesh Timu, President Upper Dilaji Branch Committee, while speaking to us, informed that they had organized a friendly football match on purpose to drag the attention of the concerned authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for the upliftment and overall development in Upper Dilaji region.
Lasil non aso nilitum kini non kipon so pakon alam nge isi mane pachini mane UFC awareness kapachi thangji laso thansin nilitum kini aso ajai me nilitum aso football ke dipon.
Also informed that when Pradip Dipusa was serving as an executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, he didn't even step his foot at Upper Dilaji region. But the presence of Tilotoma Hasnu, Honorable MSc of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council at Upper Habjan, and giving her assurance to uplift the region has brought a new hope and aspirations to the people of Upper Dilaji. Tilotoma Hasnu, Honorable MSc Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, while speaking to us, informed that all the points mentioned at the memorandum submitted by Karbi Students Association Upper Dilaji Branch Committee would be implemented very soon.
May not be solved at one time, but I'll try to solve it one by one, because these problems are basic things. We have to sort it out. I'll try my level best to serve the people and solve their solutions.
News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.